India is the land of diversity and varied cultures. Yet, when it comes to choosing cars, we Indians have been very particular. Hatchbacks and semi utility vehicles have always remained in trend. Due to this, station wagons were never able to make a mark on Indian audience. Let's take a look at 10 forgotten station wagons of India. Hi friends, welcome to Traffic Sport. Hindustan Motors Ambassador Estate. Hindustan Motors Ambassador is one of the most epochal cars in Indian history. Ambassador Estate was launched in 1970s. The estate was based on the Ambassador and the only difference was the box was made metal and glass, the company attached at the rear. Fiat Padmini Premier Safari. Fiat Padmini was one of the most popular cars in that era, but the estate counterpart Padmini Premier Safari was not very popular. Fiat launched this car in 1973. Padmini Premier Safari was India's first estate car. Additionally, a Mumbai-based coach-building company known as Starline Motors manufactured it. This wagon produced 39 HP and had a 4-cylinder petrol engine. However, the company had to discontinue the Premier Safari as the response from the buyers was nowhere close to what they expected. Tata Estate. Tata Motors is known for many cars, Estate not being one of them, launched this car in 1992. But Tata Estate came preloaded with the features like power windows, power steering, 15-inch alloy wheels and many others. Tata Estate was powered by non-turbocharged 1.9-liter diesel engine which provided the wagon with a peak power of 67 HP. Tata had to discontinue the model in 2000 due to the low sales volume. Rovo Montego Station Wagon, launched by Sydney Automobiles in partnership with Britain's Rovo Motors. The Montego Station Wagon entered the Indian market in 1993. This was a well-ordered car. It had a 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine which gave nearly 80 HP of power and 165 Nm of peak torque. The estate came with power steering, power windows and air conditioning, the comfort features which were rare at that time. But the price tag of rupees 11 lakhs was the biggest reason why the wagon was flop show in India. By 1995, they discontinued the car. Maruti Baleno Altura. Baleno Altura being one of them. This was the station wagon version of Maruti's Baleno sedan. Launched this car in 2000, Baleno Altura came with a 1.6-liter petrol engine which was very fuel efficient and powerful. It also boasted features like speed-sensitive power steering, Kenwood audio system, alloy wheels and all 4 electric power windows. It was also more spacious compared to the sedan version, but no features could please the customers enough for the sales because of the station wagon were not at all good and discontinued the model in 2007. Fiat Palio Weekend. Like other manufacturers, Fiat also tried the wagon segment. The Fiat Weekend was based on the Sienna sedan, which was based on the Palio hatchback. They launched it back in 2002. The wagon had a 1.6-liter petrol engine that produced 104 HP of power. But even with all this, the Weekend was a miss in Indian market. The company 2005 discontinued the car, low sales being the factor. Opel Corsa Swing. The Corsa Swing, introduced in 2003, had a fuel efficiency of 14 km per liter. Compared to fuel-efficient cars, manufacturers like Maruti were rolling out back then. Opel Corsa Swing was a gas guzzler. The company tried to lure its customer by giving a 1.6-liter petrol engine which churned out of power of 92 HP. The company 2005 discontinued the car. Tata Indigo Marina. Tata Motors once again tried their hands at making a station wagon introduced 2004. Tata named it the Indigo Marina. And another thing's one of the Ratan Tata favorite car. The company 2010 discontinued the car. Skoda Octavia Combi. The Czech automaker Skoda has been known to introduce the best of cars, and the Skoda Octavia Combi was no exception in 2005. But yet this was also not a hit in India. The wagon came powered with a 1.8-liter turbocharged petrol engine which produced a stunning 149 HP of power. Believe it or not, 149 HP was nothing short of amazing at that time. The body also seemed to be properly designed and it not just an extension of the Octavia. This car is by all means one of the best station wagons of India. The company 2008 discontinued the car. Fiat Palio Adventure. Fiat launched another station wagon under the name Palio Adventure based on the same platform Weekend was based on. Adventure can be said to be a dull sporty version of Weekend introduced 2004. The same engine powered the Palio Adventure 2, and both of them met the same fate. Extremely low demand led the company to discontinue the model in 2009. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Please subscribe and share.